Good morning, Year 1. How are you today? It is Monty's math session number 22, all about money. All right, now how did you get on with your game yesterday? I hope you enjoyed playing it with your adult. I expect you can recognise most of the coins now. Hope you can. All right, now what we're doing today is we are thinking about how much the coins are worth. How much money they are worth, the value of the coins. All right, so if I show you a 2 pence like this, a 2 pence like this, a 2 pence is worth the same as 2 pennies. 1 penny, 2 penny is exactly the same as a 2 pence. And you can show that by giving it a little tap. 1 penny, 2 pennies. It's worth 2 pennies. All right, now if you look at this, I've put the coins in order for you, which I thought you could do in your learning book. 1 penny, 2 pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, 20 pence and 50 pence. Now what I want you to do is to work out how much each one is worth in pennies. Now, of course, a penny is worth a penny. So I've already told you 2 pence, and it's got a 2 on it, so it gives you a clue, is worth 2 pennies. 1 penny, 2 pennies. So what do you think 5 pence is worth? You tell your adult, what do you think 5 pence is worth? Yeah, that's right. It's worth 5 pennies. Now, if you haven't got pennies, you could just draw the pennies to show me that you know that a 5p pence is worth 5 pennies, and you could put 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence. Write it on each of the coins. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies is worth the same as 5 pence, and you could tap your 5 pence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you know it is worth 5 pennies. Now the next one is a 10 pence. So how many pennies do you think that is? That's exactly right, 10 pence. 10 pennies, well done. So you could draw 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on each of the coins you could write 1 pence, 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 and 1 pence, which makes 10 pennies is the same as 1 10 pence coin. So the next one you can fill in yourselves, I think. This one is 20 pence. So that means it's worth, that's right, 20 pennies. So you could do a row of 10 and then another row of 10. And you could count it in multiples of 10, couldn't you? 10, 20, because 20 pence is worth 20 pennies. And then you could tap it to show that it's worth 20 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 pennies is the same as 20 pence. And the last one is our 50 pence, which is worth how many pennies? That's right, 50 pennies. Now, 50 pennies you could count, if you remember, you could count in multiples of 10, and you could do 5 rows of 10, couldn't you? And let's count this. Shall we count on here up to 50? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pennies. 50 pennies for 50 pence. All right? Then when you come to adding up money, if we had a 5 pence, let's take this 5 pence off, put the 5 pence there, you had a 5 pence in your purse, and you had a 2 pence in your purse, and I said to you, how much money have you got? You could do this. You know that's worth 5 pennies. You know that was worth 2 pennies. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So together you would have 7 pence. 7 pence. Like that. 7 pence. Just like that. See that? And that's when we start adding up coins. So that's the idea. So you have a little practice and see how many pennies each one of the coins is worth, and try and put it in your book to show us when we get back to school. Do you think you can do that? Brilliant. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, year one. Bye.